Hello friends, in this video I'd like to solve the following problem from the Finnish high school mathematics competition, final round 2011, problem number 2. We wish to find all integers x and y satisfying the inequality x to the fourth power minus 12x squared plus x squared y squared plus 30 is less than 0. So my hints for you, hints plural. First, check manually small cases of y, for example, y equals 0, 1, 2, and also notice that the left-hand side, treated as a function of y, is increasing in y if x is non-zero. So, in other words, there is a chance that this inequality will cease to be true quite quickly, considering variable y. So give this problem a try and see you in a minute. Okay, so I hope that you have tried your best. Let's first we will show something like that. So let's first consider cases when absolute value of y is greater than or equal to. Then our function, because of our observation that this function is increasing in y, this function is necessarily greater than or equal x to the fourth power minus 12x squared plus 4x squared plus 30. It's 4 to the fourth power minus 8x squared. And now let's do a trick. I will write 30 as 16 plus 14. Why? Because now we have x squared minus 4 squared plus 14, and it's clearly greater than 0. So our inequality doesn't hold when absolute value of y is greater than or equal to. That simplifies our problem immensely. So we know that y equals 0 or y equals plus minus 1. So let's consider these cases separately. So first case, y equals 0. If y equals 0, then our inequality is x to the fourth power minus 12x squared plus 30 is less than 0 or equals 0. Okay, so by doing a very similar trick, we can add 6 to both sides, and now the left hand side becomes x squared minus 6 quantity squared. And this is true if and only if, after taking square root, if this number is between minus square root of 6 and square root of 6. Okay, so x squared is between 6 plus square root of 6 and 6 minus square root of 6, which is a nice result. And now, because we are dealing with integers, it is pretty easy to verify which integers are between these two numbers, because this number is approximately 3.55 and this number is approximately 8.45. So the only square between these two numbers is 4. So that means that x equals plus minus 2. Okay, maybe I will move it a little bit. And now we will consider second case. I will separate it. Second case, when y equals plus or minus 1. Then our inequality goes like that. X to the fourth power minus 11x squared plus x squared, so minus 12x squared plus 1x squared, so it's minus 11x squared, plus 30 is less than or equal 0. Okay. Now, what can we do? Let's multiply both sides by 4. And let's add 1 to both sides. And now the left-hand side is simply 2x squared minus 11 squared, which is less than or equal 1. Okay. And now, after taking square root on both sides, we will establish that this number is between minus 1 and 1. So 2x squared is between 10 and 12. So x squared should be between 5 and 6. But sadly, there is no square between 5 and 6. There is no square in the interval 5, 6. Because we have 4 and after 4 is 9. Okay, and that means that we have only 2 pairs of solutions. We have 2 pairs of solutions, minus 2, 0, and the second pair, 2, 0. And that closes our problem. So thank you for watching and see you next time.